Welcome back to another episode of Atlanta Capital Cooking. Today's episode we'll be making a panko crusted crab cake with a cilantro lime aioli. It is a very good recipe. You're sure to enjoy. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up. So we'll get started with the recipe. Okay, we'll start with the vegetable prep. I've got 2 multicolored bell peppers, 1 green, 1 orange. I diced half of each finely, equaling 1 medium-sized bell pepper for this recipe. So we'll add our breadcrumbs. This is a 1/4 cup of plain breadcrumbs. Okay, breadcrumbs and bell pepper is in. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 teaspoons of plain yellow mustard. Now we're ready for the seasoning. This is a 1/2 tablespoon of seafood seasoning, 1 8-ounce container of lump crab meat, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. We'll give everything a good mix, and of course salt and pepper to taste. To the plate, I'll add a 1/2 cup of plain panko breadcrumbs. So we jumped straight to the stove top, and because of technical difficulties, this is where we're at. But I basically formed out a hand-sized portion of the crab cake mixture, made it into a patty without breaking up the crab meat too much, and then rolled both sides in the panko breadcrumbs. And in the pan we've got a tablespoon of butter and probably an additional tablespoon of vegetable oil, and we'll cook those on both sides until brown, and then after that we'll move it to a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, just to make sure that the inside of the crab cake is set. So we're browned on both sides nicely. So we'll go into a 350 degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Here I've got the cilantro lime aioli. I'll leave the recipe in the description. Finished product after the crab cakes is out of the oven. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.